In an era of rapid technological progress, imagine remaining productive while enjoying a snack break. Artificial intelligence now enables us to export videos efficiently, automating tasks that once required undivided attention. As we savor our favorite treats, AI meticulously processes each frame, optimizing quality and speed. This seamless integration of leisure and work demonstrates AI's transformative influence, allowing us to maintain creativity without sacrificing convenience.